welcome back to our channel. If you're facing the challenge of covering large windows and aren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be sharing the top 5 best solutions for covering large windows in 2024. Let's dive in. 1. Floor-to-ceiling curtains. First up, we have floor-to-ceiling curtains. These are a classic choice and can instantly add a touch of elegance to any room. Opt for light, airy fabrics if you want to let in natural light, or go for thicker, blackout curtains to block out sunlight and keep your space cool. 2. Motorized blinds. Next, we have motorized blinds. These are perfect for tech-savvy homeowners who love convenience. With just a push of a button or a voice command, you can easily control the amount of light entering your room. Plus, they add a modern touch to any space. 3. Sliding panels. For a sleek and modern look, consider sliding panels. They are great for large windows and can also double as room dividers. Available in various materials and colors, sliding panels allow you to play around with textures and designs to match your home's aesthetic. 4. Roman shades. Roman shades are another stylish option. They fold up neatly when open, giving your space a clean and uncluttered look. Available in a wide range of fabrics and patterns, Roman shades can easily be customized to suit your personal style. 5. Plantation shutters. Last but not least, plantation shutters. These are perfect if you want a timeless and durable window treatment. They offer great light control and can be painted or stained to match your decor. Plus, they add an extra layer of insulation, which can be a big plus during the colder months. And there you have it, our top 5 solutions for covering large windows in 2024. Whether you prefer something modern like motorized blinds or a classic look with floor-to-ceiling curtains, there's a solution out there that's perfect for your home. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more home decor tips and tricks.